everything has changed. From when it was first introduced back in the 19th century, a whole lot has changed. Tennis rackets, this is a modern one. Unfortunately, I don't have an older one to show you, but this one, lightweight, easy to use, and it's nice and sturdy. Even the ball has changed as well. Also, let's not forget about court techniques, strategies, the digitalization of it as well. You have your armbands, you have your sweatbands, you have your headbands, and you even have special hair ties for tennis. You have your tennis shoes. A lot has changed in the past 200 years to make the game easier and better to play. And trust me, we are playing a whole different tennis right now than what we were playing 200 years ago. But something that hasn't changed since 1924. Now that is almost 100 years ago. A century has gone by and the court dimensions have stayed the same. So here's where my unique thought comes into play. If all of these changes are happening in the tennis world, in order to keep up with the pace of the changes, shouldn't we be also changing the dimensions of the court to make it fun, challenging, and competitive to play in? Because if we've changed so much in 100 years, the court dimensions should also change to make it more fitting for this new type of tennis. And by all means, I am no expert in tennis, but a thought is a thought. And if you have seen a similar instance in your sport as well, please let me know in the comments down below. And if you haven't guessed already, welcome to the Perspective Building Workshop, specialized for you, so you can get your unique thought by just monitoring your day-to-day surroundings. And if I could get my unique thought by a tennis court, then you can too. So make sure to keep your eyes and your mind wide open. As always, thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye!